Mommy, mommy. So the scrap are being used as well for staff canteen, juices, and we portion one of the sandwich of 5J in this area. Client is fun. Then we also get the temperature of the meal before and after the portioning and record it using our QC sheet for the traceability purposes. So we use infrared thermometer or thermogun to get the surface product temperature. Process sandwiches and shawarmas in this area. So this one's for Chef Mabuhay na din na. Wapaw.
Mabuhay lang.
So this one's for Mabuhay lang. The sandwiches of 5J that are being portioned in this area are finished right here. So same process for the time temperature control and also the recording. Items are being cold soaked in this chiller prior to dispatch.
It's more on the finished product.
These are all ready for delivery. Kitchen and butchery section. Right side ng halal hot kitchen and butchery section as well as the meal portion. Gas feeding in this area. So currently they are preparing for the hainanese chicken. We have here hainanese chicken and paksiw. So items are allowed only within maximum of 4 hours. So once they reach the required temperature of 0 to 10, they can be transferred into the cold room ready for portioning. Then after portioning, one is the non-halal hot kitchen. So same process, just different. All items here are non-halal.
You notice they also have different color na apron. So everything that is red means it's non-halal. Even the labels need to be red. Their cutting boards are also red.
Then we also have the glass sticker. Mommy, mommy. So same process, different. These are non-halal. Then for the 5J, we also have finished products. The 5J hainanese chicken breast.
The hainanese chicken kasi may top sellers, kaya maraming product.
The same process with the sandwich. They record the temperature and time that they put the portioning. And we have the product profile and samples. Chicken rice, they will place the items inside the glass freezer.
The one she's open na.